In today's video, I'll teach you how to find screen time on a Roblox account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Or you can also open the Roblox application if you want. If you have opened the browser, click on the search bar and type in roblox.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Roblox. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. So if you want to find your screen time, for that you'll have to go to the settings. In order to do that, what you have to do is click on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now click on this option settings that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. At left, you'll be able to find the options like account info, security, privacy and content restrictions, etc. Simply click on this option, privacy and content restrictions. Now you'll be able to find various options related with privacy and content restrictions over here. At second, you'll be able to find the option for screen time. Simply click on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the screen time interface. Now over here you'll be able to view the screen time. You'll be able to see the hours and minutes spent on Roblox. So like this, you'll be able to find the screen time. So that is how you find screen time on a Roblox account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.